Hello everyone. Imagine presenting a research paper in English or leading a team meeting at work, all without hesitating over words or phrases. How empowering would it be to navigate academic and professional environments seamlessly in English? Today, we're going to explore strategies to help you think in English, specifically for academic and professional context. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand the importance of thinking in English for academic and professional success. Learn practical techniques to improve English thinking in academic and professional scenarios. Feel confident to apply these techniques in your studies and your career. Thinking in English is essential for thriving in academic and professional settings. It enhances your ability to communicate effectively, understand complex materials, present effectively, and engage with international colleagues or scholars. This skill can open doors to global opportunities and collaborations. Practice writing reports, emails, articles, and presentations in English. Focus on clarity, conciseness, and professional tone. I once had to write a detailed project proposal in English. After drafting it multiple times and seeking feedback, I not only improved my writing skills but also gained confidence in presenting my ideas professionally. Practice giving presentations in English, whether it's for a class project, a conference, tutorials, or team meeting. Focus on clear articulation, professional vocabulary, confident body language, and engaging delivery. Think of public speaking like playing a musical instrument. The more you practice, the more natural and confident you become. Rehearse your presentation multiple times and seek feedback from your peers to improve. Attend all sorts of academic conferences, professional seminars, training workshops, and networking events. Engage in conversations with professionals and scholars in English, discussing topics relevant to your field. At a recent tech conference, I made it a point to network with international attendees. I was able to expand my professional network and sharpen my industry-specific vocabulary by discussing current trends and exchanging ideas in English. Collaborate with classmates or colleagues on projects or study groups. Discussing ideas and solving problems together in English reinforces your language skills in an academic or professional setting. Think of peer collaborations as a team sport. Each member contributes their strengths and together you achieve better results. Regularly collaborating in English helps you learn from others and apply your language skills in practical scenarios. Now here's an assignment for you. Choose a complex topic or project and create a mind map in English, organizing your thoughts and seeing connections between different aspects. For further reading, I recommend English for Academic Research, Writing Exercises by Adrian Wallwork. It offers practical exercises and tips to improve your academic writing and thinking in English. Start incorporating these practices into your daily routine and watch as your ability to think in English grows. Thank you for your attention today. Let's open the floor to any questions or thoughts you might have.